It is possible detoxifying your body with a water bath. Yes, of course it's possible. In this video, I will share with you a water bath that are the helpful to detoxifying your body. So let's start it. It's no secret that indulging in a hot bath is one of the best ways to relax and de-stress after a tiring day. But did you know that adding baking soda to your bath water also has excellent detoxifying properties? Why we needed to take bath with a baking soda? Because hard water is not good for our skin. What are the harmful effects of hardness of water? Minerals that are not soft can cause your skin to become clogged and change its pH level. Hard water can also hurt your skin by reacting with the soap you use when you take a shower. This can cause your skin to dry out. Soap and hard minerals make soap scum, which can't be washed away with water. I am Dr. Abhias and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So let's start it. The reason baking soda works so well is because it's alkaline and when combined with water, makes the water slightly more alkaline. Do you feel the difference as soon as you added it? The water seems a little more silky without feeling outright slippery on your skin. Baking soda contains lots of benefits for our skin, so let's discuss here one by one what happens when you take a baking soda water bath. Number 1 is skin irritation relief. Baking soda, with its anti-inflammatory properties, is renowned for its ability to alleviate skin irritation. When added to a bath, it can provide relief from conditions such as sunburn, rashes, and general itching. Balancing pH levels. The alkaline nature of baking soda is thought to help balance the skin's pH levels. This balancing act mitigates skin acidity, potentially contributing to overall skin health. Number 3 is muscles, pain, and soreness. Baking soda baths are often sought after for their potential to ease muscle soreness and stiffness. The alkalinity of baking soda may aid in the muscles relaxation, offering relief after physical exertion. Number 4 is detoxification. Proponents suggested that baking soda baths facilitate detoxification by promoting the expulsion of toxins through the skin. Number 5, yeast infection relief. Due to its purported antifungal properties, some individuals use baking soda baths to alleviate symptoms associated with yeast infection or other fungal skin condition. Number 6, foot odor and athlete's foot. Soaking feet in a baking soda solution can neutralize odors and prove beneficial for conditions like athlete's foot thanks to its antimicrobial properties. Number 7, relaxation and stress reduction. Beyond its potential physical benefits, a warm baking soda bath offers a relaxing experience. The soothing properties of the bath contribute to stress reduction and overall well-being. Number 8, exfoliation. Baking soda's slightly abrasive textures act as a gentle exfoliant, aiding in the removal of dead skin cells and promoting smoother skin. It's essential to use baking soda baths with caution and moderation, as excessive use of high concentrations may lead to skin irritation. Individuals with certain skin conditions or allergies should consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating baking soda bath into their routine. So I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.